all. My name is Kimberly Polk, Public Benefits Program Manager at Up Savannah. I will be your host today. Today we have some fantastic food and health resources from some amazing partners for you that we have to share. First, we would like to start with a warm welcome from our new Executive Director, Alicia Johnson. Alicia?
Hi, Kim. Thanks for that. Good evening to everyone, all of our partners and participants. We at Step Up want to tell you thank you for all the work that you do to serve the Savannah community and in partnership with Step Up Savannah. We could not do what we do or be who we are without you. Your commitment, your collaboration, and your connection with Step Up is invaluable. And we want to salute all of our partners that's on the line, United Way, and all of our public benefits partners. We serve thousands and thousands of Savannah and Chatham County program participants, because all of you are aimed at the community, helping to serve and lift up those in need. So we appreciate you. We appreciate all the hard work you do. And we just want to let the community know that you're here, that you're ready and willing to serve them. So we look forward to a great education tonight, and hope that we will be doing more of these in the future with you. Thanks again for all your work and all you do.
Thanks so much, Alicia. I now want to take the time to introduce our amazing public benefits community partners. All of these partners have access to help you with your SNAP, Medicaid, CAPS, WIC, and TANF applications, renewals, and case navigation. These community partners are experts in public benefits navigation. There is no need to wait in line at DFACS when you can access a community partner to help you with your public benefit needs. Please say hey when I call your name, your organization. First, we have Annabelle Perez. She is our bilingual enroller and works at First Expanded Baptist Church. Annabelle, you say hey? Awesome. And then also along with her at Step Up Savannah, I work and engage to give equitable opportunity to public benefits through the REACH project, as well as at Step Up Savannah. We also have Miss Janetta Ferguson, who is located at St. Mary's Community Center.
Hi.
Great. We have Miss Valeria Flowers, who assists at Wesley Community Center.
Hi.
We have Miss Jessie Jones, who is stationed at Savannah Technical College. And they could not make it, but we also have partners, Miss Christine McLennan, Miss Sarah Williams, Mr. LaQuinton Cates, that assist at Moses Jackson Advancement Center. And we have partners at Forsyth Farmers Market, Jeb Bush and Tasha Cunningham, and they send their well wishes. We'll be highlighting both these partners in our presentation. We also could not do any of this work without the support of the Division of Family and Children's Services. We have our beloved DFACS Gateway Community Partner Manager on the call as well, Ms. Jackie Williams.
Good afternoon, hello.
Awesome. Okay. Next, I want to take the time to introduce some of our other amazing partners. They will be sharing with you some other fantastic resources to help you on your journey to food and health security. We have our Chatham Apprentice team, Ms. Tanika Rivers and Heather Bryant.
Hello.
We have our Asset Building Coordinator, Mr. Cornelius Lloyd.
Greetings, everyone.
And she will be joining us later, but we also have Miss Nancy DeVetter that will be coming on. And we have Miss Alice from the HERO database.
Hello.
Project. Awesome. And then we have Miss Jessica Carlson from the United Way of the Coastal Empire.
Hey.
And Miss Tamika Tribble from Parent University.
Hello.
First, we would like to highlight our public benefit community partner agencies. As noted before, each community partner agency can assist with SNAP, Medicaid, CAPS, WIC, and TANF applications, renewals, change reports, and case navigation. As I have mentioned, I am Kimberly Polk, Public Benefits Program Manager at Step Up Savannah, and am the person who you will speak to directly at Step Up Savannah if you need public benefits assistance. My services are by appointment mostly. If you're interested, the best way to inquire is to fill out the online screening opportunity application. We will make this link available on our Facebook page and on our website. Once we receive the opportunity application, we will review it and get back with you for public benefit application and other resource assistance. So Savannah also has a Hispanic enroller, and Annabelle is on the line to tell you about her resources.
Up Savannah en español está ubicado en número 1 Gamble Road. En Savannah vemos clientes sin cita previa los lunes y martes de 6 a 10 de la noche y los servicios son estampillas o SNAP y el Medicaid.
Awesome. Thank you, Annabelle. We also have some other programming at Step Up Savannah. First is our Chatham Apprentice program. This program helps unemployed and underemployed people gain substantial work, which is defined by gaining employment of $12 an hour or more. The result is that households are more likely to have food, health, and financial security. I would now like to introduce Ms. Heather Bryant, Step Up's CAP coordinator, to speak about the Chatham Apprentice program. Heather?
The Chatham CAP program offers a comprehensive program that introduces our participants to employers, banking institutions, community resources, and more. So CAP includes credit counseling, conflict resolution, healthy eating, soft skills training, resume and interview skills, mental health counseling, and opportunities directly from local employers. So once the CAP participant successfully completes this 4-week course, they're then eligible to receive assistance with receiving either a TWIC card, a ServSafe certification, or an OSHA forklift safety certification. So in addition to this, our CAP participants graduate our program with the hospitality and customer service certification, as well as a healthy eating certification from the UGA Extension Office. Our next class will be completely virtual, so it will be on Zoom, and we will begin on August 10th. We're currently accepting applications, and if you have any questions, you can call me at 912-210-5982, or you can call Ms. Tanika Rivers at 912-525-2255, or you can go to the Step Up Savannah Facebook page. Scroll down and you'll see our flyer with the hyperlink, and you can access the application that way.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Heather. We also have a new asset building program, which once launched will be a 7-week class with 12 modules. Our asset building coordinator, Mr. Cornelius Lloyd, is here to speak about our new asset building programming. Cornelius?
Thank you so much, Kim. I'm excited to be a part of the Step Up team here in Savannah. And what we have coming up is what we call Level Up. We know that everyone wants to move from one station in life into the next, and Step Up will be launching a new program in September, having the opportunity for us to investigate where we are in our life. We can help you get there for a healthier lifestyle. We will look at your current employment, look at ways for better employment, wages, and housing arrangements. You may already be a business owner or have a desire to own your own business. Level Up helps you create a plan and strategy for your life that will positively impact you and your family and future generations. The Level Up series expands your connections in our community, along with our community partners who want to see you succeed. And when you succeed, you make Savannah strong. With this opportunity, you'll be able to learn practical skills to get ahead in a just getting by world. Our sessions are going to be starting in September. There's 7 weeks, and we're looking for about 25 people to start our first cohort. And we will give you the opportunity to look at where you are and where you desire to be. Because we recognize that when you have better wages lead to better salary. We have better housing. You get a chance to look at whether or not you're wanting renting or maybe you want to become a homeowner. There's also opportunity for you to have better access to healthcare and to be able to purchase better groceries. Better employment leads to better pay. Better pay leads to better access. Better access leads to health and food. If you have more questions you'd like to reach out to us, please call us at the office at 912-232-6747. We would love to be able to talk with you and to share more about Level Up. Thanks, Kim.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Cornelius. Next, we have Janetta Ferguson, the Public Benefits Coordinator and our wonderful partner at St. Mary's Community Center, to speak about St. Mary's programs. Janetta?
Hi again. I'm here with St. Mary's. I'm the Public Benefits Coordinator for St. Mary's Community Center. We have a couple of services that we offer. We have an eye clinic that helps individuals who can't afford glasses or they're uninsured obtain glasses. We also have a bread giveaway every Thursday. You must wear a mask. It's from 7:30 until 9 a.m. We also have a workforce developer who will assist you with finding a job, also creating a resume. And we also have our public benefits department. I myself am the coordinator, so I will help you with SNAP applications, senior SNAP applications, pregnancy Medicaid applications. We also have the Medicare Savings Program for our seniors who need help. And we also help with any other issues that might arise if we've helped you with your case in the past. Next slide, please.
Okay.
We also have 2 health clinics that they tend to the uninsured and also the medically needy. We have one located in the downtown Savannah area, and that is the St. Mary's Health Clinic, and it's in association with St. Joseph Candler. That location is 1302 Drayton Street. And for more information, you can call 912-443-9409. We also have the Good Samaritan Clinic that's located in Garden City. You can call 912-964-4326 for more information for that location. And I need to add that these services are free at both locations. Okay, thanks, Kim.
Yep, awesome. Thank you, Janetta. Next up is Jessie Jones, a fabulous SNAP outreach specialist at Savannah Technical College.
Before Jessie goes, Kim, we have a question from our Facebook for Janetta.
Okay, awesome.
Janetta, do you have to live in Chatham County to receive St. Mary's services?
No, you do not. It is accessible to individuals in the Rankin area, the Effingham area as well. We see quite a few clients that come to the health center, the one located in Garden City, as well as the one downtown. And we also see clients as well at St. Mary's Community Center. We help them with their food stamps or with Medicaid applications as well. We've been seeing an influx of applications from the Statesboro area as well.
Awesome, great question. Are there any other questions, Alex?
Not at this time, no.
Okay, awesome.
Thank you.
As I was saying, next up is Jessie Jones, our fabulous SNAP outreach specialist at Savannah Tech. Jessie?
Hi, thank you, Kimberly. As Kimberly said, I am the public specialist person at Savannah Tech. Savannah Tech, better known as Tech by most people. We have campuses in Chatham County, Effingham, and Liberty County. Our president is Dr. Love, and we serve approximately 4,000 credit students each semester, except in the summer. We offer certificate, diploma, and associate degree programs. We also offer various adult education programs, including GED classes, continuing education, and industry-specific classes. I do the public benefits, as I said before, and I do have a screening form on our website that you can go to, and I can screen for any of the other benefits. And we also have a resource part that we have as well on our website. I just want to briefly introduce my supervisor, who's also on the call, Kelly Rife, who is, as I said, on the call as well. And she does all of our student navigation, student services. So she's also a good resource person. So as Kimberly said earlier, it takes a lot of parts in order to do what we do for our students and also for those people that are in the communities. We have faculty, staff, administration, all of us are working together to make sure that our students that we serve and the public in general has everything that they need in order to be successful in every aspect of their lives. So my supervisor and I had a discussion and we were trying to come up with ways to pull all of this together to highlight both food and health while building a program around SNAP and the other public benefits. So what we did was we came up with a slogan, and that slogan is eat healthy, live better, learn more. The basic idea is that if your body is healthier, your brain functions better. And if your brain functions better, then your life becomes more manageable, even when it's not, like during these times right now. So we participate in outreach events on campus, webinars, and other programs. We work very closely with our other student service departments, career services, special population, adult education, and a lot of the other programs. Our faculty interacts with us. They let students know about our programs, and they let students know about the SNAP program and public benefits. They will also reach out to me if they see a student that they think would benefit from the program. We also have our staff members who reach out to me. So we have others that will reach out when they think someone will benefit from the program. We also have a resource page on our website that the people, students, and the general public can go to in order to access information, community resources, and things like that. I can also do applications throughout Chatham County. Even though I'm at Savannah Tech, I can also do them at our Liberty County campus and our Effingham County campus. I do visit those campuses on a regular basis, so I am available at times in order to do those applications as well. As I said before, there is a screening form on our website that you can go to. So that's pretty much what we do. My contact information is on the screen. I am at the White Bluff campus, and you can also visit our website and get information. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Jessie. Now we have Ms. Valeria Flowers, family advocate, to speak about programming at Wesley Community Centers of Savannah. Valeria?
Good evening, everyone. I'm Valeria Flowers, the family advocate at Wesley Community Centers. Wesley Community Centers was founded in the year of 1949 by Mrs. Gertrude Green. Wesley Community Centers has 4 programs and 2 locations under its umbrella. Wesley Community Centers is best known for childcare, but in the community, we're known as a center that offers a hand up and not a hand out. To highlight on some of the services in which Wesley Community serves, the main focus for today is the Family Advocacy Program. In that program, we offer crisis intervention that helps with low income to homeless families in our area. We provide financial literacy, case management, intense case management. Also, we have the SNAP Assistance Program, just as everyone else, but in our program, we're fortunate enough to be able to provide brown bag assistance. We do that assistance on the first and second Wednesday of every month from 10 until 12. With the SNAP assistance, we help with food stamps and food stamp renewals, as well as Medicaid and WIC. In the areas in which we're located is the west side of Savannah, as well as the east side of Savannah. That way I'm accessible on either side of town. When you call for assistance at Wesley Community Centers, I'm that person that you will talk to. In most cases, we do our best to try to take care of every need that is in the family. We tie our services together with childcare as well as crisis intervention, because our childcare families, they receive first priority. We try to do a wraparound service. Some of the new ideas that we've been implementing over the couple of months has been the Healthy Living Initiative. You would be surprised to see a small child plant a garden. But this is how we get them to like vegetables, like fruit, and also introduce families to different styles of food that is healthy for the families. Once again, those services are on that first and second Wednesday. If you're looking for food assistance before that time, you're welcome to give us a call at the Wesley Community Centers, which is at 1601 Drayton Street, Savannah, Georgia, 31401, with the contact number of 912-447-5711. And those are the most important numbers that you can think of in this area. The main number, if you're just looking for a case manager, you can dial the 912-236-4226. We look forward to serving you and continue to serve you in our community. Thank you, Kimberly.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Valeria. Forsyth Farmers Market folks were not able to make it today. However, the Forsyth Farmers Market has some great programming. The Forsyth Farmers Market is a 501c3 nonprofit organization that was founded in 2009 by 6 women who came together with the intention of supporting their common vision of a local food system that is good for the health of all people and the environment. Forsyth Farmers Market manages 3 programs: the Saturdays Farmers Market in Forsyth Park, Farm Truck 912, and 912 Food Pharmacy. The Saturday market is a producer-only market, meaning all vendors have to be producing at least 60% of the products they sell. SNAP participants can double their dollars through a match program just by coming to the information tent. Farm Truck 912 is a mobile farmers market, and it currently is serving 10 communities throughout Chatham County, primarily focusing on low food access neighborhoods. In a similar fashion to the market, SNAP participants receive their produce for 50% off. So let me repeat that. You can get 50% off or double your SNAP dollars using your EBT card. And then you can also obtain assistance applying for SNAP and other public benefits right at the food truck at the Forsyth Farmers Market. And they also do mobile enrollments. In combination with the truck, nutrition programming is offered by way of nutrition educators who teach cooking classes, prepare food samples, conduct cooking demonstrations, create recipe cards, and further engage the community with nutrition education. Currently, the Forsyth Farmers Market partners with the nonprofit organization Old Ways to bring the community-oriented 6-week A Taste of African Heritage interactive cooking classes to Savannah. Forsyth Farmers Market third program is 912 Food Pharmacy. 912 Food Pharmacy is a produce prescription program. The idea is that instead of writing prescriptions for pills, doctors instead are writing prescriptions for fruits and vegetables. Their 4 partners in the program are Memorial Health Children's Hospital, Chatham County Health Department, St. Joseph's Candler, St. Mary's Health Center, and J.C. Lewis Primary Health Care Center. While enrollments are complete for 2020, you can go to the Forsyth Farmers Market website at www.forsythfarmersmarket.com interest form. When the program starts back in 2021, they will contact you with locations you can go to participate. Information about all of their programs can also be found on their website. Forsyth Farmers Market looks forward to seeing you. Additionally, our wonderful Moses Jackson Advancement Center partners also could not be with us. However, they have some great programming as well. Right now, Moses Jackson is partnering with the YMCA of Coastal Georgia every 3rd Friday of each month through December for free produce and bread distribution. The YMCA will distribute 1 bag per household via drive-through distribution and walk-up. During these events, Moses Jackson will provide walk-up assistance for people in the community to be screened, apply Medicaid and SNAP benefits. Please be reminded that they are requiring social distancing and social mandates that are in place, that everyone must maintain a 6-foot distancing as you are waiting for the service, and that you wear your PPE or your mask if you have them, and also gloves. The next food giveaway is Friday, August 21st at 9:30 a.m. Additionally, Moses Jackson is a City of Savannah community center that Savannah residents can become a member of. For more information about their other programming, they're at 912-525-2166. I would now like to take this opportunity to highlight some of the great work that DFACS is doing as it relates to food and health security. Due to the pandemic, the Georgia Division of Family and Children Services, alongside partnering federal services and programs, have done a phenomenal job ensuring that food and health insecure families have opportunity to both have food and health access and use their benefits as safely as possible. They have availed P-SNAP benefits where families can receive full SNAP allotments. They have extended renewal times for both SNAP and Medicaid assistance. They have also made a way to use EBT online at both Amazon and Walmart for food purchases. They are also ensuring that those who receive free and reduced school lunches are reimbursed $256.50 per child through the PEBT program. There's more information about this on the Step Up Facebook page, as well as the DFACS website. We are honored to have our DFACS Gateway Community Partner Program Manager, Jackie Williams, here to give a few remarks. She does a great job ensuring that community partners are supported with the Gateway portal and works on the public benefit partner to ensure we can give the best service to those who come for application assistance. Thanks so much to Jackie for joining us. Jackie?
Good evening, everyone. It's my pleasure to be here this evening and working with all these tremendous partners. They're all great. You do a lot for DFACS as well with your applications and renewals. For this time period since COVID, the community tech partners have actually done over 4,000 applications, and that's since March, closer to 5. But that is excellent, and it's a pleasure that you all can help us to ensure that families are fed. So again, great work, and I look forward to many more years of working with you.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Jackie.
Welcome.
I would now like to briefly share how to choose a Medicaid plan. In Georgia, upon receipt of Medicaid, you are able to choose the plan you would like. The choices are WellCare, Peach State, Amerigroup, and CareSource. To make the best decision for your family, please complete your own research by visiting the provider websites. To choose your plan, please visit the Georgia Families website as listed above and follow the links and instructions. Upcoming, we have more awesome, fabulous partners that help with the food and health resources. First up, we have Ms. Nancy DeVetter, Supervising Attorney at Georgia Legal Services. Nancy? She dropped.
Hi, just waiting for my camera to kick in here. Hold on.
Okay.
Sorry, I didn't realize I had turned it off. Hi, everyone. My name is Nancy DeVetter. I'm a staff attorney at Georgia Legal Services. Georgia Legal Services is a nonprofit law firm that helps people meet their basic legal needs. So we specialize in items that assist low-income people, make sure they have housing, make sure they have food, make sure that they have the public benefits that they're entitled to. We also handle domestic violence, consumer issues, and some other issues for vulnerable populations like the elderly and disabled. So specifically with food and health services, I'm the local attorney who helps people if they have issues with the Department of Family and Children Services, the Department of Labor, or Social Security. those agencies provide benefits for a lot of Americans, especially Americans who are food insecure and who have lost the benefits in their household. So what I do is I receive calls from people call Georgia Legal Services for help with those cases if they feel that the agency has made an improper decision. We will work closely with our community partners who are all on this call, who help process benefits cases, and they will refer cases to us if there's a mistake. Because these agencies are processing so many applications, there are mistakes happen, and we are usually able to help people resolve those. We have a great relationship with the local defects office and are able to resolve, I'd say 98% of cases just via email exchange and a review of documents. If we do have to represent someone in a hearing, we have done that. We also take on larger impact litigation cases. For example, a couple of years ago, we sued the Department of Family and Children's Services for not providing proper accommodations to people with disabilities. So we try to find larger impact areas as well as do the day-to-day case management and case assistance that really helps people. So we secure every year thousands of dollars for our clients, and we help them with getting Medicaid and Social Security as well. Our big cases right now, of course, are unemployment benefits because so many people are laid off, but food stamps and Medicaid are one of our specialties. So if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Nancy. And of course, as you're listening, if you have any questions, please post them under the link here, and we will be sure to answer them before we get off the call. Okay, so next we have Allison Griswold, Youth Health Coordinator at St. Joseph's African American Health and Resource Center. Allison?
Yes, good afternoon. My name is Allison Griswold, and like Kimberly said, I'm with St. Joseph's County African American Center. And so the St. Joseph's County African American Center is currently offering various services such as computer classes, health seminars, summer camps, and referral assistance to the community for free of charge. All of our services are virtual at the moment, so that is a good thing. So you can take the joy in taking computer classes and health seminars from your home. But the main reason I'm here today is to tell you guys about the HERO database. And so the African American Center has created a community resource database known as HERO database, and it can be accessed at www.herohelpme.com. The HERO database allows individuals to see over 1,000 agencies in Savannah that cover services such as senior services, food assistance, faith-based help, financial assistance, and so much more. Recently, since COVID-19 pandemic, the center has decided to create a coronavirus information/help category because a lot of agencies are still trying to find their way through the pandemic and how they can offer services. So we created this category solely for the purpose of to show the community what services are happening right now and that they can utilize during this time. So like I said, there's a lot of financial assistance, senior grocery hours. We have coronavirus testing agencies in there, but the main part is we have a lot of agencies that are offering food assistance throughout Savannah, and we want to make sure that the people are aware of those services. So like we have Wesley Community Center, a lot of churches, and basically there are times and the days that they offer services or give brown bags or give bread and different things like that. And we also have a couple of agencies in there that are offering senior grocery shopping hours and as well as grocery delivery services as well. A lot of people might not be able to get out during this time, or they might feel like they're if they go out into the public, they might be compromised or whatever they feel like they don't need, we kind of have in the database. And so addition to that grocery shopping, we have financial assistance, we even have youth tutorial services. So it's a lot of different services in the database. You can just go check it out when you get a chance, and you can access the database from anywhere, whether it's a computer, tablet, or your phone, anything that has access to internet or Wi-Fi. And if you're not able to get your hands on a device that has access to internet or Wi-Fi, you can always give us a call at the center at 447-6605, and we will be happy to direct you with whatever services you need to agencies and do the best that we can. And also, there's a QR code on the slide as well, so you can just scan that with the camera on your phone and take you right there. But yeah, so please go to www.herohelpme.com, and if you need to talk to anyone about the database, which will be me, Allison Griswold, my email and the phone number is on there as well. So please reach out. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Allison. Next, we have Jessica Carlson. She is a 211 director at the United Way of Coastal Empire to share about the great work 211 is doing. Jessica?
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. Tonight, I want to talk a little bit about the COVID-19 response that United Way has been working on here locally. In our 4-county region, many of our friends and neighbors are living paycheck to paycheck. We know that. With 23.7% of the total population in Bryan County, 25% in Chatham County, 24.6% in Effingham County, and almost 36% in Liberty County considered asset limited, income constrained, yet employed. As government, schools, and businesses respond to public health recommendations to close or limit operation, many people have already or will lose their jobs and will experience extreme financial challenges. So to combat these challenges through the generosity of local community members, foundations, and businesses, more than $620,000 in donations have come through our doors, mailbox, and phone lines to help those in need since the coronavirus pandemic began. With these funds, we have been able to support our region in several ways. First, we awarded 10 grants for a total of $55,000 to United Way partner agencies in support of increased in support of increased emergency food and shelter costs, case management and translation services, technology to provide remote crisis counseling, and increased health and safety personnel for a youth summer program. Also, to help bridge technology and supply gaps that limit access to learning, we granted funds to support public education in both technology and school supplies for students in schools with the highest level of poverty. Finally, and this is what I think most people will be most interested in because it hits everyone individually, with the majority of these funds, we have directly helped community members in Bryan, Chatham, Effingham, and Liberty County who have been financially impacted by COVID-19. We've collaborated with 3 United Way partner agencies, those being Family Promise, Salvation Army, and Wesley Community Center, to provide both case management and direct assistance to community members in need with financial assistance to retain both stable housing and address essential needs. The greatest needs thus far have been for housing and utilities. We are very excited about how our community has pulled together to help one another and are grateful to have been a part of it. With recent trends in COVID-19 numbers, we know this isn't over yet. We still have funds available. Let me say that one more time. We still have funds available to help community members in need in Bryan, Chatham, Effingham, and Liberty counties. To qualify for assistance, you must be a resident in one of those 4 counties and have been financially impacted by COVID-19. If you are aware of anyone who may qualify for this fund, please encourage them to call us by calling 912-651-7730 or by simply dialing 211. Don't forget, 211 is available for information and referrals to support all in need year-round. If you or someone you know needs help, again, please call us at 912-651-7730 or simply dial 211. Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Jessica. Last but certainly not least of our health and food partners, on the line is Tamika Tribble, Assistant Executive Director from Parent University. Tamika?
Kimberly, thank you so much for having me with you all this evening. And I'm even more excited to say that I see familiar faces here, that we've collaborated with many of the partners here with us today. So thank you for that. Parent University was founded by Executive Director Michael O'Neill. Parent University has been around for over 20 years, and we provide free parent trainings and provide resources to families, and that is all families. They're free of service, and often what we do is we provide those services, we collaborate with the school systems, and we provide those services within the school facilities on the weekends. So we may have 2 events that we have within a month. But we also have some weekday events as well, where we provide those services for some smaller events. So during a Saturday, we may have from 100 to 300 families who show up on those Saturdays. But on the smaller events throughout the week, it may be Parent University experiences, where we may partner with places like Yamacraw or churches, and we may go there and we may only have 20 or 30, but it's a more intimate opportunity for us to connect with those parents. The services that we provide is focused on self-help and educating parents in order for them to gain confidence in their abilities to parent, in their abilities to help their children in school, or it could be things such as mental and physical health care. For their children and for themselves as well. Under the umbrella of Parent University, you have what we call Savannah Early College. And with Savannah Early College, what we do is we focus on those parents who have children from birth to 3 years old, and the specific needs and the early intervention services and the early services that go along with that to ensure that their child meet their full potential early. We also have those trainings on Saturdays as well. We have at this point, we started out with maybe having 5 programs a year, and now we have over 50 programs that we offer a year. Now with the pandemic happening and we're not able to meet face-to-face as we would do, we have virtual classes that take place. So we're doing Zoom sessions that take place. We've done sessions on Saturdays, and we've also done many sessions that Step Up has been a part of, and Hero Database, and I hate to start calling out names, but we had so many organizations which we're so grateful to have that has partnered with us throughout this pandemic. But we've had sessions on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and we hope to continue to do that throughout the new year. We normally align with the schools on throughout the school year, but now that the pandemic has happened, we've also had services on the throughout the summer as well. We have Parent U Tech coming, which we provide services for our parents, because they really will be teachers for their children. Many of them will be doing homeschooling, and initially at the beginning of the school year, we all will, with the virtual learning we'll do. So we will provide some services to help our parents to ensure that they are tech savvy with what they have to offer and how they could best support their children with their learning. So we'll start that soon. But what we like to focus on is some of the services that we give are healthy living and healthy cooking. We partner with Second Harvest, and we also partner with, we have a garden. We have a community garden that we have on Highway 80. We just started that community garden, and what we will be doing is allowing our parents to go into that garden and help to grow some of the foods that they will then go and pick and they will eat. So we're focused on ways that they can cook and they can live more healthy. So I'm excited about joining in on that garden. I hope many of our parents are as well. But again, it's important to know that all of our services are free. We also provide gift cards for groceries at many times to Kroger's or to Walmart for our parents as well. But again, we look forward to continuing these services throughout the year, where we will have everything that we do is parent-centered. So whatever our parents say they want to know more about is what we provide for them. We don't tell them what they need to know. We ask them what they would like to learn more about. And then we go out and we seek those services, seek those facilitators, and find those resources to ensure that they have what they need to meet their full potential. You can reach us at 912-755-7000. 912-755-7062. Again, that's 912-755-7062. Or you can go to our website at parentuniversitysav.org, and that will have all the latest information on what we provide. If you want to be a part of our garden that we provide, any of our services that we'll have and trainings, please reach out to us, and we look forward to having you. Kim, thank you so much for allowing us to be a part of this tonight.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Tamika. I did want to say one more thing about the community partners. So that's the partners that can assist with the public benefit assistance. We are all still doing phone applications. So each agency did give you their contact information. We also have a flyer that's on our Facebook page that you can look at. But yeah, we're still doing telephonic applications for all the public benefits. So that's a great way to stay socially well, or healthy and well. So we just wanted to make sure that you knew that we are still doing telephone applications. So you basically just call the agency and we'll complete the paperwork with you and then complete the applications over the phone. So thank you to everyone who joined us for our first Facebook Live event featuring our public benefit programming and resources. This video will remain on our Facebook page for future reference, and we will share so please share with your Facebook friends and networks. And please do not hesitate to reach out to the resources mentioned. Also, we will make the slides available as well, because I know that there was somebody that asked about the slides. So we will make those slides available to you via our Facebook page. Also, please continue to follow Step Up Facebook page as we regularly post activities. Please continue to follow the Step Up Facebook page as we regularly post activities that Step Up is doing, as well as partner highlights and events. Also, many of the partners have Facebook pages, so please look them up and follow them as well. If you are a partnering agency, please feel free to share this video on your agency networks and maybe even host a watch party. Our hope is that people will find food and health resources to help and keep them well and healthy. Thanks again to our audience who joined and who will watch later. Also, thanks again to all of our partners who presented. Hope you all have a great rest of your day. May you be blessed and hope-filled.